Hi everyone, welcome on our today lecture. How are you all? Hope all good. Okay, so let's understand what we are going to learn in our today lecture. Today we will learn VLOOKUP part 2 because we have learned VLOOKUP part 1 yesterday and we have learned basic VLOOKUP, right? And today we will learn little advanced VLOOKUP. Alright, so eh, let's begin. And let me open the file that will be dealing out through this lecture. Here we go. Okay, suppose we have some data like this. Okay, and we need to find a tax rate here. Tax rate means as per our salary, right? Though we have some salary given here and we have uh, some rate of tax here, a tax rate here, which is if someone a salary is 5,000, they need to pay 1%. Okay, someone salary between 5 to 15k to 15k. Okay, they need to pay 1%. और अगर 15k से ज़्यादा स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 15k एग्जैक्ट एंड बिटवीन 25k they need to pay 3%. Okay, so according to this, here is some salary and as per tax rate. Okay, so let's understand how we'll get the answer. So we will find our tax rate with the help of VLOOKUP. All right, so let's understand. um, let's apply the formula, which is v is equal to VLOOKUP. Open your insert function, click here. लुकअप वैल्यू वुड बी आर सैलरी, क्योंकि हम सैलरी के ऊपर हम रेट ऑफ टैक्स निकाल रहे हैं, राइट. लुकअप वैल्यू वुड बी सैलरी. टेबल अरे क्या होगा, जहाँ पे हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है कि अगर इसकी इतनी सैलरी है तो ये रेट ऑफ टैक्स कितना होगा. ओके, now column index number would be this. What we are finding tax rate here. Okay, तो कॉलम इंडेक्स नंबर हमारा हो जाएगा 1 and 2. And range lookup. Do you remember, guys? Yesterday we have learned that if we want exact value, then we need to put 0 there, right? But today we will learn if we want approximately value, क्योंकि किसी की सैलरी हो सकती है 5,999 हो या 15,999 हो. ठीक है, एग्जैक्ट सैलरी नहीं है उसमें, या फिर 35,500 हो, ऐसे हो सकती है सैलरी, राइट. तो इसलिए वी नीड अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू हेयर. सो फॉर अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू वी नीड टू प्लेस 1 हेयर. ठीक है, and at the same time we need to log our formula because we are working on huge data here. ठीक है, ऑन ह्यूज डेटा. या तो आप वन बाय वन सबकी सैलरी देखो, फिर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो, एंड it will not make sense and it will take a lot of time also. Okay, so for it we need to log our formula with the help of function f4 key. Okay, we have log our formula, and okay, we got the answer, which is 11%. अब फाइंड कर लेते 11%. आर सैलरी 84,999 84,999 हमारे 75 एंड 85 के बीच में आ रहा है, राइट. इन बिटवीन 75 एंड 85, तो हमारी जो टैक्स रेट होगी वुड बी 11%. ओके, so let's understand how to do manual. Means as per our formula. Suppose you know your formula, we look up formula. Okay, so let's apply manual is equal to we look up tab, lookup value would be this. Okay, comma, table array would be this. All right, now we need to freeze our formula because we are working on huge data, and one by one doing the same thing, which is not make sense. Okay, so we need to freeze our formula with the help of f4 function, f4 key. Okay, then comma, Then we need column index number. Column index number would be this 1 and 2. What we are finding? We are finding text rate to column index number where are text given. Okay, so we need to write 2 here, comma, for approximately value we need to press 1, close your bracket, enter. Now click here, double click on it, drag. You got the answer, right? But if you want to decrease your decimal here, you want, no, I need only 1%, why there is 00. Okay, then we can decrease our decimal here, because we know that excel and system automatically take decimal here in while we are doing for percentage. Okay, so we can increase our decimal from here. Now got the answer. अगर इफ आर सैलरी 84,999, तो हमारे इस 75 85 के बीच में आया है, विच इज़ 11%. इफ आर सैलरी 15,750, इट मीन्स 15 and 25 के बीच में, बिटवीन, तो 3%. Similar 19 to 5, which is between, in this salary 15 25, which is 3%. Right? Got the answer? So that's it for today. We will learn advanced VLOOKUP formula in our next lecture. So meanwhile, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Jai Hind.